Hi everyone, and here we are studying construction material as a curriculum, as a part of our curriculum. And today's I'm presenting a seminar on rocks as a construction material. So, what will the content of this seminar? First of all, the introduction. It means what are the stones or rocks. Then properties of building stone, types of building stone such as granite, dolerite. Please note it down: basalt, sandstone, limestone, marble, laterite, slate, and soapstone. Then conclusion, and last one, the references. Right? Introduction. Rocks are aggregates of minerals. Rocks are quarried large for used as a building stone for a constructing building, dam, bridges, monuments, and memorial, etc. Since 12,000 years, rocks are using for building shelters. Hence, building stones should have quality and strength of sustain stress and strain expert exerted by the engineering structure. So, all of you get it? What are actually stones? Right? So, properties of building stone: color, mineral composition, texture, porosity, permeability, resistance, abrasion, weathering, and heat resistance. These are the major features or properties of good building stones. Right? It have proper color. We have to study the composition of stone, then texture of material, then porosity. If there is large number of porosity, then there will be the large number of vacuum in that stone, and it will be less strength, or it will have less crushing strength, so it will not used for building purpose, construction purpose. Permeability, one and the same again. Resistance, abrasion, and weathering. It should be high resistance to abrasion and weathering. Right? Heat resistance, and it also resists the heat before we used it for building or construction purpose. Right? So first one, granite. In India, granite rocks are common in South India. Right? Ramarao in 1962 writes no dearth of building stone in Karnataka. Some stone from Karnataka are exported to foreign countries. In Karnataka, Chitradurg district, Tak- Takalakota, Dhamur, Kurgod, Hadagili of Bellary district. So these are the places of in Karnataka states where we occurs the granite. So then these are the some different places rather than Karnataka states where we can get granite stone. From where we can get granite stone, right? Such as Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, and UP, right? These are certain granite structures or structures in which granite stones are used in construction purposes. Major monuments. Vidhan Sabha, it means member of Legislative Council, right? It is a Legislative Council house of or legislature of Karnataka state. Then Hampi, right? Vivekananda structure at Kanyakumari, and Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, right? Then Dolerite. It is a hypobasal group of igneous rock. It is hard, even surface and ability to take polish, yield mirror like surface. So it is highly shiny material. Right? Where does it occur? Bangalore, it means in Karnataka, and some other places in India. Right? This is one example of dolerite, where dolerite rock is used. This is Vietnam War Monument in US. Then basalt. Basalt is a volcanic group of igneous rock. It is used in northern district. It majorly Deccan Trap, where we live now in Maharashtra, also made up of Deccan basalt eruption, right? Volcanic eruption, which is igneous rock and also type of basalt rock, right? So basalt rock majorly occurs in Deccan Plateau, right? It means in southern part of Gujarat, mainland of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, and Chhattisgarh. Okay, so these are the some monuments which are where basalt rock is used. So Gate of India, everybody knows this place, which is situated in Mumbai, and Bidar Fort in Karnataka, right? Then sandstone. It is a sedimentary type of rock splitting along the parallel to bending, right? Composed essentially of quartz granite cemented by siliceous, calcareous, feldspatic or ferruginous cementing matter, right? Fine granite grained and uniform texture base suitable for building purpose. So these are the sandstone. These are nothing but the static rock, okay, stratified rock, right? There are three major type of rocks. Which are these? They are igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. So sandstone are the major or main type of sedimentary rock. So the sediments get deposited one or another, and by their physical conditions, some mechanical factors and physical factors, the rocks get converted into sedimentary rock, so sandstone. Then where does it occurs? In Gujarat, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, and also in certain part of Maharashtra, right? These are some monuments where sandstones are used as a construction material or construction stone. Jagannath Puri temple, yes, which is located in Odisha. Badami Caves and Red Fort, Delhi. So then limestone. Limestone is also a major type of sedimentary rock. Right? The sediments of lime get deposit over one on another, and certain mechanical factors and physical factors, temperature such as temperature, convert it into rock form. Where does it occurs? It occurs in Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and certain part of also Karnataka and Maharashtra. So these are the monuments where the sandstone is used as a major construction material. So Dwarka Temple, Durga Temple, Bhagalkot. Marble. Everybody of you knows this type of stone. Where does it used? It is used for construction of Taj Mahal and Agra. Okay, it is metamorphic rock. The crystalline limestone and marbles of Rajasthan belongs to Archean. They are known as Makarana marble. Makarana marbles quarried in Jaipur. This is the best marble in India, right? Which are the another locations? Where does we get it? Where did we get it? Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the places where marble is used as a construction material. Monuments: the Victoria Memorial Hall, Kolkata, and Taj Mahal, Agra. So there at corner, Makarana marbles picture is also shown. Then laterite. The name given to the mottled red or brown color cariaceous rock with the vermicular structure near the surface. These are found variety of rock which are subjected to tropical and subtropical weathering. Right. So this is also majorly we can classify it as a metamorphic rock. So where does it occurs? Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa. In Maharashtra, where does it occurs? In Konkan, right? By the disintegration of rock, certain minerals and elements of that rocks washed away, or it get decomposes and it converted into red soil. So they are red in color. So these are the laterite rock. Then slate, right? It is a metamorphic rock. It can be splitted evenly into thin layers. It is used for roofing and paving buildings, right? Where does it occurs? In Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, and Andhra Pradesh. These are the examples where slate is used as a roof material, roof constructing material. Right. Then soapstone. It is a metamorphic rock, gray to black color, softly, easily quarried, extensively used in erecting the great temples of Hoysala and Chalukya periods in Belur, which is located in Karnataka, nothing but Karnataka. Okay, these are the examples where the soapstone is used. Beluru temple and Somnathpura, Mysore. Crust stone. The crust stones are used in recent year for the construction of the building. Small size are used in road paved road. Some of the igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks we can make crust stones. Conclusion: the buildings and the ornamental stones are a part of our culture and civilization. Permeable rocks are considered harmful because they cause seepages of water. Durability of rocks is directly related to its mineral composition and texture. The weak minerals such as mica, calcite, chlorite, talc, pyrite, magnetite, clay minerals are not durable. India's annual production of ornamental stones more than 600 crore of rupees. So these are certain references where I had collected this material or this content of this seminar or lecture. So thank you.